Hey YouTube, welcome or welcome back. The Latina Baddie look is trending and today we're serving Brazilian Latina Baddie Glam. Warm golden bronze skin, soft glam eyes and the perfect nude lip. Stay tuned until the end for more shots of the finished look. I've prepped my base starting with Revolution's Pore Blur and Mattify primer, then a colour corrector for under eye darkness. I'm skipping concealer since MAC Studio Fix provides full coverage, then setting it all with Revolution's translucent powder, pressing it into the skin using a dense foundation brush for a flawless finish. To start, I've used this light cream shade by Kiko using a short brush to highlight beneath the brows. So to begin the eyes, I'm using this sand shade by Bobbi Brown with a large eyeshadow brush, applying it using a swiping motion to create a soft blown out effect, extending it into a gentle V shape at the outer corner. I'll now use this deep warm brown shade by MAC with another large brush, applying it below the first shade using the same technique. I'll also bring this shade under the lower lash line for added depth and balance using a slim brush. I'll then blend the outer corner toward the centre of the eye for added intensity. I'm now going to use the middle shade of this MAC highlight palette with a flat brush and sweep it across the eyelid, merging it into the outer corner. I'll then use the same slim brush to soften the transition through the crease, and a short brush to add highlight to the inner corner of the eyes. I'll then finish off with a pen liner to create a classic yet slimmed winged liner. I'm now priming my lashes for volume before applying mascara. When applying mascara, I wiggle the wand from base to tip and sweeping over the top for extra thickness. For lower lashes, I build volume rather than length by brushing side to side before combing through. To finish, I'm adding MAC false lashes. For contouring, I'm using this Revolution bronzer with a large fluffy brush, buffing it under my cheeks and through the hairline. For the nose, I'm using a fan brush, blending along the sides and under the tip. For blush, I'm using MAC's Margin shade, lightly sweeping across the cheeks for a soft natural flush. Then I'll use the same highlighter shade on the high points of my cheekbones and temples, then on the bridge and tip of my nose for a golden glow. I'll also add a touch of this highlight to the Cupid's bow using a short brush. To finish the look, I'm lining my lips with MAC's Spice Lip Liner and MAC's lipstick in shade Spirit. I'll then top it off with Bobbi Brown's lip gloss in shade Sweet Talk for the perfect nude pout. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, show some love by giving that like button a hug and subscribing to my channel. Sharing is caring, so feel free to spread the word to anyone who might enjoy these tutorials or want to collaborate. Follow me on Instagram for more looks and reels and DM me with any questions. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.